guys, welcome to another how-to.
Yeah.
Put together, bolt on something. We've got,
This is the Rough Country stubby winch bumper for the TJYJ, is what it said.
and a winch plate.
Well, that's all part of it.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it all comes together.
Oh, nice.
I just didn't realize it was all Rough Country.
Okay.
I guess the box should have gave it away.
How much was it? He wasn't ready.
Now, I got it off Amazon, and it's not telling me because it's currently out of stock. Paid 150 bucks for it,
150 bucks.
plus tax and all that.
All right.
So figure about 160 bucks is what I paid with tax and shipping, and because I have Prime. Now, I don't know what it goes for on Rough Country site, but in my experience, it's typically cheaper on Amazon. So take that for what it's worth.
Well, let's look at it.
All right. Okay. Oh. Big bag of hardware, instructions, and this is your bumper shell. Yeah, don't look like it's going to be all that hard to put together, but those are famous last words. Now this is 1/8 inch thick, maybe. But this thing is all here. This is your winch plate. As you can imagine, it's hefty, thick, and then this huge box for what sounds like a little bit of hardware.
Yeah.
Very little hardware.
Typical Rough Country.
No nuts, so that's going to be interesting. And some more instructions. So, that being said, we're going to get this all out of boxes and get ready to put it in. All right, guys, so we're set up, we're ready to go. We have some differences that you may or may not have. So I'm going to talk you through them, and then we're going to put it together. So the first thing you have to do is, most of the time you'll have a sway bar. You need to take these two bolts out and move, loosen your sway bar. Take off your front bumper and your plastic cover, if you have it, for your sway bar. Now, one other thing that I have going on that you probably won't is the nuts that hold the bumper on, are missing on this side. So I am modifying the instructions and using a couple nuts that I wouldn't have been using beforehand. So once you get it all taken apart and you're ready to start, you get 4 heavy-duty washers, and you need to place them like so over your bolt holes on both sides. All right, then the next step is you're going to put your sway bar or your winch plate on and line it up the best you can.
I was just getting it lined up.
All right.
It can go that far over.
Okay, well, and then because this is extremely easy, the next thing you're going to do is scratch your paint.
Lifted it up.
Slide this on top as well, lining everything up. And then insert your bolts. Except for I have a problem. All right, guys, so we got all of our bolt holes lined up. And Matt has a 19mm ratcheting wrench down there. Tight. Oh.
It'll get to a point, it stops, and then you tighten it like a couple, and then it's loose again.
Yep.
And yes, I'm going the right way.
It has been a problem in the past. But once you get all 4 bolts tightened down, or all your bolts tightened down, the last thing you're going to have to do is trim your sway bar cover. Yeah, I don't have one. I'm not putting one back on it, so it's not a big deal. Okay, so basically, if you're going to keep your sway bar cover, according to the instructions here, you have to trim it straight across up to the bottom of the word Jeep, and then it'll fit. Or the simpler answer is just don't put it back on. But it's your Jeep, you do you. Again, we didn't have one, so we're not going to go find one and put it on. But tighten everything tight. Remember, after 500 miles or so, double check your bolts. We're not putting in a winch today because I don't have one. I do need to get one, but for right now, this thing's just going to be a street queen, so I'm not worried about it right this minute.
A small crawler.
Yeah, well, I got a truck and an XJ for everything else. Right, so we'll show you what it all looks like here in a second when it's all done and explain a little more.
All right.
It's on.
It's on.
Yeah.
You tell them about what we had to do.
Well, so any of y'all have been following along on this Jeep, you know I bought it wrecked. And things didn't actually go to plan. But you know what they say, you give a guy a welder, a plasma cutter, and a grinder, everything goes to plan eventually. So something's tweaked. I had bolt holes get ripped out on the old bumper, and we tried doing the right thing and just weld nuts in there. We tried, but some stuff was bent, and one of them ended up at an angle, so you couldn't get the bolt in it. So I made the executive decision, since it's my Jeep, and we welded the winch plate to the frame. We still put bolts in to hold on, you know, there's bolts in there too. There's only 3, not 4 or 6.
There's 2 in there.
1 over there.
And 1 over there.
Now, here's the thing. I trust the welds a whole lot more than I do the bolts. But we put the bolts in anyway, you know. She's gonna do all the right things.
Yeah.
But even if you do this the proper way, this is a seriously easy install. Like 6 bolts in and out, and you're done. I mean, other than putting the winch in, you can put this whole thing together in 15 minutes. I mean, it's seriously that easy.
So they do have an option too. You can put the little bull bar or light bar on here.
You got the 2 holes here and the 2 holes over there, and it just mounts across there. The bolts go underneath it.
It's probably best to put that on before you put the bumper on. We didn't have it. We didn't want it. He didn't want it. So we don't have it. And then your fair lead 2 would go on the front of it, and that's your... Oh.
Yeah, those 2.
Your recovery points and the bar, you have to buy separate.
Yeah. But they send the hardware for all of it.
Yeah. But those come separately. So I've got to order those for the, so I got front recovery points. I won't lie, I'm a little sad about that.
When are you going to need to recover it?
A couple years.
Yeah, you got time.
I've got time.
All right, guys. Well, that was a super short install, but it was part of Project Zip Tide. So other than that, we hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, and share.
There you
And we'll
go.
see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.